Hello again, this is Layla and I would like to introduce you the different website that is really useful for all of us. Doesn't matter who wants to learn or who as a teacher or as a student, for whoever wants to learn. The name of this website, if you look at it here, is craftsy.com. If you go to the Google and then any website like here or the Google or whatever, and then type that, it's gonna pumps up and take you to this page. First thing about it, this page is not free. The only negative things I would like to talk about this website is not free. You need to log in, and then but the good things is very cheap. Like if you want to sign in for it, that I already did it, and it's like $2 something that you pay it for whole the year. $2 is like almost nothing. You pay it for whole the year, and then you can use this website. This website has a different talk about the different classes and different skills, and all of them is in English language. And they have like everything as sewing, as knit, like a baking, as cook. Maybe you're gonna have this question like why I introduce you this, because all these you can see in the picture, they are in English language, and by using these kind of websites, students and all of us, not only you are learning a new skill, but also you are learning new vocabulary or new words that specifically used for some skills. Let me just I open something. Like I usually love painting, and I do really paint in my free time. If you look at here, it's gonna show you exactly like in the like a video is exactly show you what they are talking. And then here in the right side is like about the preview, or what do you need exactly. It's exactly tell you how many minutes. So you can just, as I said before, you have to sign up first, and then it's just $2 something you have to pay for these classes. And $2 and $2.50 something, I don't know exactly. And then it's gonna exactly tell you what kind of tools you need for this, and what you should like, how you should create your own picture on the paper. Let me just turn it on, and then you see how it works.
Hi, I'm Kateri, and welcome to Startup Library Painting with Watercolors. Congratulations on making the decision to learn something new, and especially painting with watercolors. Watercolor is my passion. There is nothing else like it for spontaneous creative expression or more detailed and planned renderings of our favorite subjects. I know that once you first put paint to paper and watch the pigments mix and mingle on the page, you will be as smitten as I was when I was first beginning. Painting with color is just good for our souls. This class is organized into 3 parts. The first part will cover tools. I'll tell you everything you need to know to confidently select the right paint, brushes, paper, and more. In the second part, I'll demonstrate foundational techniques to get you on the road to success. We'll explore various methods of paint application and color mixing basics.
Okay. As you see here, I just try to just show you how it works. So this class is show you a step by step how you can learn to paint, how you can do. It's just one classes that they do have different things. Like for example, this one is the same thing, like it's gonna show you how you can try to make your own or create your own scarf or whatever. If you look at it here,
maybe you remember your grandmother or your mother or some other family member knitting, whatever the reason.
you see, it's all about like they comes and introduce themselves, and then they go you step by step how you can learn it. I really enjoy this website, especially like in this kind of situation that we are in. It is good for any ages. It is all English, like you are not kind of learning skills, you are practice your language in English. I mean, you are learning how to make a cake, but not in the like not in Farsi. I'm learning in different words in English, and next time when I go to the store I can get more familiar to say exactly that word in English. Like here is a lot of like some of them actually, yes, you have to pay like money to be a membership. As I told you, the only negative things I can say about this website is not 100% free. You have to pay, but some of them actually, yes, like for this one, they are so cheap, but some of them are expensive. This is I guess for the baking, but for the other things it's not like that. You just pay like a $2 something, and then you be this website membership. I will tag the sources, the both sources for you guys if you want to go. And then in this case, like is the cooking is like I really love to cook, and cooking is like my favorite things to do. And then if you want to learn something, right now this website have kind of like a promotion, like $2 something, you pay it for whole the year, and you are able to use as much as you can, as many of these videos that you can. If you pay that $2 something, you are skipping to pay this amount here, like for the membership for $19.99, you will skip that part. So I like here it's gonna show you how you can spend your free time to learn something. And I hardly recommend this website to my students, because study is kind of like boring for all of us. We know about that. You cannot force yourself to just study and study and study. Your brains and everything get tired. Sometimes you need a really fun, you need a break. This website is really good website for the students who are learning English, who are in the learning process, and they can kind of enjoy and practice and learn new words during the learning. And it's good for any ages. It's exactly tell you what you should do, how you can create those stuff. And then I like it. I highly recommend you just get the $2, pay $2 something, and then even you can here kind of like search it what kind of classes. Let me I talk about the music, because music is another my favorite hobby as well. That used to play guitar before when I was younger. I do have still one guitar for myself, but I don't practice it anymore because I don't have a time. Let's see, let me just type it. How about we type it here, for example, guitar. Let's see what's the result is gonna be. I believe, yeah, they don't have anything about music here. Okay, so let me see, piano. No, they don't. So this website has two limitation and two negative things about itself. The first thing is not free 100%. You have to pay to be a membership. The secondly, they don't have any skills that you are looking for. They have kind of like limited skills are available, as you see here. Like, let me just go back one more time here. Yeah, it's a limited skills. They do have it. They don't have everything. Like any skills that you are looking for, you cannot find out in this website. They have kind of like limited classes, how you can sew, how you can knit, how you can paint, how you can kind of see these skills like hand embroidery. It's a kind of like, oh my god, they are should be very fun, but very kind of like hard as well. But if you put these two negative things about this website away, I really like this website. The name of it is craftsy.com, because it's kind of fill your free time, and then at the same time help for the people who are learning in the learning process the most, and then very good vocabulary in English. As you can see in the website, they do have kind of like a different skills here, and you can even like mark it, and then it's gonna just pumps up exactly the things that you are looking for. Hopefully you enjoy it, and then you will try to be a member of this website. I will tag their sources as well. If you have any question, as always, email me. Thank you so much for listening, and you guys have a great weekend.